Hey guys, good morning. A very good morning from Pokhara. Today is Sunday, the 4th of November. The time is around 7:30, and we are ready to leave for Kolkata. Basically Muzaffarpur today. The bikes are done. The luggage is on the bike, and we are ready to leave. Swaroop is still putting up his luggage on the bike. I am done with mine. This is how it looks. Very gloomy and cold as well. It's around 9 degrees centigrade. Yeah, that's it for now from Pokhara. Once we hit the road, we'll get back to you on the camera. Hey guys, good morning once again. Just out of Pokhara now. Getting out of Pokhara now, out of the hotel. This is how it looks here. The time is, we are late. It's 8 o'clock. So going to the petrol pump now. I need to tank up, and we'll carry on towards Mungling and then Birganj. Still on our way to Mungling. It is pretty cold and gloomy. Mungling is about it was almost 2 hours from Pokhara, a little less now. I really hope it doesn't start raining anywhere. This is still okay, but if it starts raining, it would be bad. Stopped here to have a cup of tea. Had to. It is extremely cold and foggy. You can see the weather here. I hope it gets better as we move ahead. The roads are amazing though. Very nice roads from Mungling to Pokhara. Okay, we are at Mungling now. Just reached Mungling. We'll take a short break here, maybe just a tea break, and move ahead towards Birganj. Birganj from here is about 3 hours. Let me see. Okay, 3.5 hours, 3 hours 24 minutes, and it is 164 kilometers from here. So yeah, that's the break from here. Take a short break and move ahead. So over with the break at Mungling, heading towards Birganj now. This is the second last leg of the journey from here to Muzaffarpur, and then tomorrow start from Muzaffarpur towards home. It has been a good trip so far. I had some time in hand, so could take it slow and easy, nice and easy. Mustang was very, very nice. So the roads, like I had said earlier, the roads are much better now. So guys, come, you should definitely visit Mustang if you can. There are those patches of roads which are really bad, but most of it is good now, is done up. There are proper roads, and I guess 1.5 years time, all the roads will be done. So you can definitely take your chances and come to Mustang. You'll get some amazing views, and you will see some amazingly big mountains. And if you're a mountain lover, Mustang should be in your bucket list for sure. So from here we go to Birganj. Whatever leftover currency, NPR we have, we'll change, get them back to INR, and move towards Muzaffarpur. Just stopped here for 2 minutes. The place looks pretty nice, so just wanted to get it on the camera. Nice, isn't it? So this place looks quite similar to the Shevok Road in Siliguri, the Shevok of Nepal. So we are somewhere close to Hatauda, I think about 25-30 kilometers away. Going to stop here somewhere for a little break and then move ahead. Yeah, so I'm almost back in India. I'll go and just change whatever leftover Nepali money I have, get it converted to Indian currency, and then move on towards Muzaffarpur. I'm not sure if you can see, the gate is there. Yeah, I have to go here, change the currency, and then carry on. So all formalities in terms of the currency change is done at the border in Birganj. Actually, this place is called Bhansar, Bhansar. Birganj is a little up ahead, ready to go out of Nepal now. That's the gate, the border. I think they are checking now. Let's see. Okay, here's the border checking now. Give me just a minute while I finish this. Bhansar? Bhansar? हिंदी
ठीक है ना, ठीक है ना,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
आराम है ना,
हाँ
गाड़ी बंद कर दीजिए, नहीं कुछ होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, बंद कर दीजिए। कहाँ आ रहे हैं टूर करके?
मुक्तिनाथ
और बीच में कैसा है सिचुएशन?
ठीक है
बर्फ जमा है कि नहीं?
नहीं लेकिन बहुत ठंडा है
बहुत ठंड है,
बहुत ठंडा है बर्फ़ नहीं जमा लेकिन बहुत ठंडा है
बहुत ठंड है,
बहुत
ठीक है ना?
हाँ
और सब
हाँ
कितना का तेल पी लिया?
बहुत का तेल पी लिया हम हिसाब नहीं किया
डोमिनर,
हाँ
ये उसका है ना, बजाज का?
बजाज का है
ये सक्सेस नहीं हुआ उतना बाइक है,
नहीं अच्छा बाइक है
बहुत पिकअप है ये।
अच्छा
चला तो ये 3 गियर में, 2 गियर 3 गियर में पहाड़ चढ़ जाता है।
हाँ बाइक अच्छा है ठीक है जाएं
और सब ठीक है,
ओके
ठीक था।
थैंक यू मुस्तंग मुस्तंग हाँ हाँ
ब्लूटूथ भी है कनेक्ट,
बहुत ठंडी है
ब्लूटूथ भी कनेक्ट है।
नहीं ये तो बजाज का बी है
बजाज का लोगो,
लोगो ओके थैंक यू
ओके।
यस थैंक यू बाय बाय थैंक यू friendly checkers checking again. Okay guys, so we reached Muzaffarpur. This is the highway. Tomorrow in the morning we'll be going this way towards Patna. We came from this side, and this hotel is called Hotel Kailash Tower. This is how it looks, right on the highway, so a good option to stay here. So a good option to stay here if you're traveling. That's it. I'll leave the phone number of this hotel in the description. Okay. Now let's go up and change, have a bath. It's been quite a ride. Okay, guys, checked into the hotel, had a bath, done with dinner as well. Time to go to bed. We'll go off to bed in a while now because tomorrow is going to be a long day. Riding from Muzaffarpur to home. That's over almost 650 kilometers. So have to start off early. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Nothing much to do here. Just going to go off to sleep, get some rest, and get ready for tomorrow. That's all for today. This was the day. I'll catch you all up tomorrow on the ride again. Till then, bye bye. Today is the 5th of January 2026. The time is 7:53. We are ready to leave from Muzaffarpur for home. This is the place we were in, Hotel Kailash Tower. It's a nice stay right on the highway. I will leave the location of this hotel in the description. It's a long ride today, about 665 kilometers from here. Let's see when we reach. The last time I was here in Muzaffarpur, I'd stayed in some place here. Yeah, Hotel Swarg International. It's not that cold though. It is cold, but not so much, so which is good. So guys, just took a break here somewhere. I don't know the name of the place. It's on the highway itself. Now moving ahead. The roads are pretty good, smooth. So at the Patna Gaya Dobi section of the National Highway, this place is called Jindapur, and I'm on NH22. From here I will continue on this road for about 15 kilometers and then take a left towards Dhanbad, Asansol and Durgapur. So finished my little break at Dobhi, Dobhi, and on my way towards home now. So I'm not sure where I am. Dobhi is in Bihar. I think I am in Jharkhand now. I'm not sure though, unless I see the name of a place or something. But by the looks of it, I think I'm in Jharkhand. But so we are on the highway somewhere in Jharkhand. Had some lunch here, Hotel Sangam Restaurant and Lodge. Getting ready to move ahead now. Shaktigarh is about 255 kilometers from here. So quite some distance to cover. So guys, we are almost in the city, almost, not there yet. This would be the last toll plaza of the day, the Dankuni toll plaza. What is this now? No, don't want this at this time. Okay, so managed to somehow cross this toll. Poof. Okay, heading towards the city now. Okay, guys, so about 5 minutes away from home, almost there. 665 kilometers done in 16 hours. Not bad. So that's all for this trip. I really hope you like this vlog and the series, and if you do, please consider subscribing and showing some love. That's it for this one, guys. Bye bye. Take care, everyone, and see you again in the next.